Hello, my mahogany mavens. It is makeup time. Honey, I am so glad to be back here with you. And my trip to New York was wonderful. Check out some of the pictures. I'm going to be coming with some footage soon, guys. And you're really going to enjoy, especially footage of my photo shoot that I did before leaving for New York. So today we have some new products that we may test, maybe one or two. The focus for today is going to be the eyebrows. Okay, so I've gotten requests to do the eyebrows a little bit slower, and people really like those, so let's get started. Okay, so step one, I have this blur stick, this matte blur stick from Clean Color, and I'm going to use this to prime my face. I'm only going to do it around the eyes because we're only doing the eyebrows today. Okay, now making sure that your pencil is nice and sharp. We're going to trace the bone underneath the eye. Now, I'm going to draw a parallel line right above the brow, giving myself a little bit of space to fill in. Same for the opposite side. That's not it. That's the thing about doing the eyebrows. Don't be afraid to start over and make sure they match. Trace the bone underneath the brow. Now trace a parallel line above the brow. Same for the opposite side. Okay, now gradient means it fades dark to light. We're going to do a gradient eyebrow. So I'm going to fade from dark in the back to light in the front. So about midway, filling your eyebrow darker. Fill in the entire outline that you traced. Even if it looks big, it looks wonky, just fill that in. Now fill in the front end lighter. Same for the other side. About midway, fill in the eyebrow darker. Now fill the front end lighter. Notice how I'm holding my pencil very delicately. Fill in any gaps you may see, because we're going to brush the hairs back into place anyway. Okay, now I'm going to take my handy dandy Dollar Tree toothbrush and I'm going to blend lightly, hold the toothbrush as far to the back end as possible. Okay, now you have two big, fat, gigantic eyebrows, and they look like, oh my god, what is this? Cray cray, right? They look cray cray, but they don't. I prefer to have mine bigger so that when I'm shaping them, and also when I'm doing my makeup, as they get smaller, they fit into the look. Okay? Alright, so now coming back with my concealer, and I'm just using this NYX concealer right now, something, you know, cheap for a bargain. And also using my concealer brush. I'm going to draw a thin layer of concealer over the top of the brow. Sometimes when you do concealer on the top, if it's too much, you have enough to just add it to the bottom. Okay. Tracing a parallel line above the eyebrow. Okay, repeat the same process under the brow. Here is where you do a straight line to get your arch. So you reach for the sky and bring it back down. Reach for the sky, tracing the bone, bring it back down. Tracing the bone. Brush off any excess you have. Keep in mind when drawing your eyebrow, it's important to stop near the edge of the eye. Do not draw your eyebrow all the way down to the corner of your eye. Okay, now repeat to the other side. Reach for the sky, bring it back down. Reach for the sky, bring it back down. Now, get the middle. If we were doing the full look, I wouldn't do the middle of the eyebrow. I would let the makeup blend and naturally create this line. Okay, now I saw this La Mercerie eyeliner in Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, it's not La Mercerie, it's LA Colors liquid liner from Dollar Tree. And although it's liner, I'm going to use it to trace under the edges, to trace the eyebrow. This is going to be my first time using this, so let's see how this goes. Okay, now I'm going to come back with my eyeshadow primer brush and blend this. It dries very quickly. And there you have your eyebrows for tonight, my mavens. Yes. So let's have a talk real quick. Why haven't you done what I've asked you to do? All I need is you to hit the subscribe button. That's it. Just hit the subscribe button so we can continue this relationship. We are on our way to great things. Like and share. Subscribe. Subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.